training video on how to access the files that have been downloaded to one of our groups. Now I'm here on Mary Ann's leaders page just to demonstrate how we're doing this. When you have files on a group, you are not able to put them in folders or organize them. They simply post the last file posted on top. And so what we have done is that we have created a master file index to help you out. So I'm going to click on files when I want to look for something that I saw that was posted. And what you should usually find is that the master file index is the very first file listed there. So what I want you to do is pull your cursor down over the master file index, and it should be underlined when you do that. Now click, and what you will see is you will see the master file index comes up, and it is it either says download or preview. So for right now, I'm going to preview it. Now I've got to tell you, I'm still in the process of creating this folder, so it's not quite complete, but there's enough on here for me to explain it to you. This file has been organized by topic. So what I have is the topic, the name of the file, and a brief description, and then a link to click on it. And you'll notice the link is underlined. So if I wanted to scroll down here, and let's say I wanted to see the Did You Know organization tips labels. Those are our labels for customer folders. I'm going to come over here to where the big old URL is. That's the HTTPS. And I am going to click on it. When I click on it, you'll notice I'm back in Mary Ann's group. And now, instead of having the master file index up, I have the Did You Know labels up. If I'm not sure that's what I want to look at, I can preview it. And when I preview it, I can see that it's a bunch of labels. And over here on my screen, there's this little box down on the right. If you look down to the right, and where the little disc looking thing is, that's where you save it to your computer. Or see where the little printer is? That's how you print it if you wanted to print it. So that's how you get to the file. That's one way to do it. Now let me go back to here. If I wanted to actually save the file to my computer, I'm going to download it. Oh, excuse me, somebody's messaging me. Let me get rid of them. Anyway, a box is going to come up, and it's going to ask me where I want to save it. And I have a whole big file for Signature Homes styles, and I'm going to save it under New Rep Training. Now when I do this, it's going to tell me I already have it. So I'm going to maybe change the name. So it won't do that. So I could change the name if I don't like how it's filed. Maybe you have a different name that it would be easier for you to remember. I'm going to save it. Excuse me, let me get rid of this tab. Anyway, it's that simple. So rather than having to look through all the many files to find something, not knowing what it's called, if you'll just stop at the very beginning, go to the master file index, and maybe look under the topic, flyers, ideas, shows, labels, the lookbook, sales, monthly results, training. Look under the topic, you should find what you are looking for. So as I said, hopefully I'm going to be working on this. I've got 17 files uploaded. I'm going to work on more. And I'm also going to do the same thing on our other groups. So everybody has the information the same way. Now, of course, if you think my description or topic needs to be changed, I'm open to any feedback, but I really hope this helps. Let me just go back to my little hangout here. Okay, so I'm back on my hangout now, and that's about all. So I will be ending. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.